Good day everyone, I am Elena Barcilo, a third-year student taking up Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics. And so for today, I am going to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of portfolio assessment. There are many advantages and disadvantages of portfolio assessment. So now let us first begin in the advantages of portfolio assessment. So, the advantage of portfolio assessment is that it combines the strength of performance assessment with a continuous record of achievement. And portfolio assessment can hold students accountable for mastering content standards in a subject area. Portfolios offer students tangible evidences to show their academic achievements as well as their participation in community service projects. Because high school graduation is contingent on mastery of essential elements of the curriculum, portfolios can give students an alternate avenue to show documentation of skills. In addition, many colleges and employers request portfolios to see if the students have basic skills, problem solving, and collaborative work skills. And also, one of the advantages of portfolio assessment is that it engages students in self-evaluation and reflection, and that can lead to goal setting and encourage and support critical thinking skills of the student. Assessment portfolios require students to continuously reflect and perform self-evaluations of their work. Teachers should convey to students the purpose of the portfolio, what constitutes quality work, and how the portfolio is graded. As students judge their work using explicit criteria to identify the strengths and weaknesses, they are monitoring their own progress as well. Portfolio assessment involves students in collaborative assessment. Assessment portfolios promote communication between teachers and students. Some shy students who fail to initiate conversation within the classroom benefit from one-on-one interaction with the teacher, while other students enjoy speaking about their accomplishments. During conferences, students can discuss their progress, ask questions, and receive suggestions and strategies for improving work. Dialogues with peers and parents also help students in meaningful reflection and goal setting. And also, one of the advantages of portfolio assessment is to integrate assessment with learning. Focus on self-improvement, enhance students' motivation. Portfolios permit individualized assessment and enhance student motivation. Some students are not good test takers, and portfolios offer them an alternative to demonstrate on mastery of content. Numerous work samples can show students moving from basic to advanced skills, demonstrating continued learning growth. Because assessment portfolios are individualized, students and teachers have the opportunity to choose the documents they want to include in the portfolio and to make decisions about how to improve the students' work. Also, one of the advantages of portfolio assessment is it contains examples of students' work, such as it reinforces the importance of performance assessment and provide evidence of learning for diagnosing learning difficulties, providing individual feedbacks, and explaining progress to parents. And lastly, they are flexible, especially in digital ones. So now let us proceed to the disadvantages of portfolio assessment. One of the disadvantages of portfolio assessment is the scoring. The scoring is very time-consuming and it is not consistent. It can be very time-consuming for the teachers to organize and evaluate the content of the portfolios. And as well, it is not consistent because the criteria are too general and the raters are not untrained, because the raters itself are the students. So they are not trained enough to grade or to follow the evaluation rule on how to judge and how to critique one's work. And also, one of the disadvantages of portfolio assessment is it needs time and resources. It needs time and resources to design, to review the score, to get training, and etc. The time is needed to help students understand the purpose and structure of the portfolio, decide which samples to collect, and to self-reflect. Some of this time needs to be conducted in one-on-one conferences. Reviewing and evaluating the portfolios out of class time is also enormously time-consuming. Teachers have to weigh if the time spent is worth the benefits of the portfolio use. And also, one of the disadvantages of portfolio assessment is that it is potential for limited generalizability.